Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about 6 words that will make you sound smart. If you use these words in conversation with someone else, the person that you're talking to is going to think that you're absolutely brilliant because these 6 words have that effect on people. Let's get right to it. Word number 1 is baffling. Now, baffling basically means confusing. So instead of saying that the problem is confusing you, you can say that the problem is absolutely baffling. The problem itself is absolutely baffling, and I can't solve it. So word number 1 is baffling. Word number 2 is assiduous. Now, assiduous basically means that you're committed to something. So instead of saying that you're committed to soccer, you can say that you have to be assiduous in the field of soccer to succeed as a soccer player. So the word assiduous can be used in replacement for basically the word committed and the idea of being committed to something. Word number 3 is aspirations. Now, aspirations basically means goals. And if you are talking about working towards a goal, you can use the word aspirations. So you, instead of saying that your goal is to become a multimillionaire, you can say one of your aspirations in life is to become a multimillionaire, and you're working towards that aspiration every single day. It just adds a lot of flavor to the sentence, and it makes you sound that much smarter. Word number 4 is elucidate. Elucidate basically means explain. So you could say, could you elucidate the concept that you were talking about? Could you elucidate the concept of outer space? Could you elucidate the concept of science, whatever it is that you're talking about? Okay. The 5th word is non sequitur. Now, non sequitur means that it doesn't logically flow with the conversation that you were having. So you could use it in the context just like this. You could say, she started talking about her car, which was non sequitur with what we were talking about before, which was soccer. Obviously, cars don't relate to soccer, so when she started talking about her car, it became non sequitur. It was non sequitur, which means it just doesn't logically flow. You know, if someone throws a random thing into a conversation, it is non sequitur. And last but not least, the 6th word, and in my opinion, this is my favorite word to use when trying to sound smart, is quid pro quo. Now say that again, quid pro quo, which basically means in exchange for something. So you could say, for instance, he gave her his baseball as a quid pro quo for her football. So if someone is exchanging something for something else, you could say quid pro quo. Now you have to say it a few times to get the hang of it, because oftentimes you'll sort of mix up the letters and say quid pro quo, but that's not what it is. It's quid pro quo. And that's actually basically it. Those are 6 words that you can use in your conversation that will allow you to sound very, very smart. If you're talking with someone, if you're conversing with someone, that's another one that you can use, and you want to sound absolutely brilliant, try and incorporate as many of these 6 words as you can, and you'll sound very, very smart. The person will perceive you as being very smart. That's another one that you can use. And that's basically it. In this video, I have spoken to you about 6 words, 6 awesome words that will make you seem absolutely brilliant. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let me know if you know any other words that will make you sound smart in the comment section down below. And above all, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.